your whole reason why you exist is to exist. And any way you choose to exist is already perfect. And then there's another step to that. It's like, oh, since I'm just here to explore myself, I'm going to go and completely destroy myself in every way possible. I'm just keep doing that. And that is a trap. And so even though I have this realization, I go, yes, this world is absolutely great. I love it. I have everything I absolutely wanted. I can have this, and everything is given to me because I created it. I am happy. I have everything going for me. I'm traveling to the world. Everything. All my dreams and desires coming true. But even though this is also beautiful and the divine is giving it to me, I'm still choosing to focus upon the divine. And that then allows me to shift. So this is the inter-level, level in between, where you have acceptance, and you're allowing yourself to accept yourself with your wants, desires, and needs, to the next step where you let go of your needs, wants, and desires, and you realize that there is more than just being life, that there's this transcending divine that you become aware of. Experience what it's like to be beyond the physical. Personally, I hold rituals on the new moon, during the full moon, and during those times, I take people up with their bodies. It's like we all are here physically, but we alter our mental states as if we're on some super psychedelic drugs. Nothing has changed. All we did is we just shifted the energy a little bit. We caused that change of perception, and we're here, but we're there at the same time. And then, of course, the next step to that is actually, but you cannot do it from the state that, oh, this is not good.
Yes.
The moment you go into that, you're going to be going deeper into it. That's another paradox. So we can talk about these things in order to bring awareness of patterns that we create within ourselves. But the moment you try to avoid something, what you're doing is you're going deeper into it. Certain expectations. We have a tendency to be disappointed because within our mind we always create certain expectations. It's going to be like this or it's going to be like that. And even if things are great or there's something better, we have a tendency to put it down because of our own expectation that, oh, it should have been like this. It's like I ordered toast, I was expecting toast with butter, but I got toast with butter and caviar. And it's not what I wanted. A mystic is a person who's seeking their connection with the divine on the deepest possible level. And from the Akashic records, you just connect into it. You can think of the Akashic records as like an infinite library of information that you can tap into at any given moment. And then as you tap into that, you can work with the person. The way I personally interact with the Akashic records and the way I'm interested in working with it is pulling information about the present moment and pulling skills that are necessary for the present moment in order to work with the individual.